In today's lesson, we will see the difference between await and wait, because people often get confused while using these two words. Await and wait almost have same meanings. The only difference is in their grammatical structure and formality. Like await is more formal and wait is less formal. Let's see how to use await and wait. Case 1. Await and wait both can be used with an object or an event. For example, I always wait for your reply to my letters. Here, your reply to my letters is an object. One more example, I am waiting for his birthday party. Here, his birthday party is an event. Before going towards the next examples, please note these points. Await cannot be used with for, and we can only use await instead of wait for if the sentence is followed by an object or an event. So here we can also say, I always await your reply to my letters and I am awaiting his birthday party. Case 2. Wait can be used alone or without an object, but await cannot be used alone or without an object. For instance, good things come to those who wait. Here we cannot say good things come to those who await. Similarly, they can wait is correct and they can await is incorrect. Case 3. Wait can be used with a person but await cannot. For instance, everyone was waiting for him at the dinner. Here we cannot say everyone was awaiting for him at the dinner. Similarly, I have no time to wait for you is correct and I have no time to await for you is incorrect. Case 4. Wait can be used with time period but await cannot. For instance, she has been waiting since morning. Here we cannot say she has been awaiting since morning. Similarly, he made me wait for half an hour is correct and he made me await for half an hour is incorrect. Case 5. Wait can be used with infinitive but await cannot. Infinitive is to plus verb. For instance, I can't wait to attend Sarah's birthday party. Here we cannot say I can't await to attend Sarah's birthday party. Similarly, I can't wait to see you is correct and I can't await to see you is incorrect. Thanks for watching. I hope now the difference between await and wait is clear to you. If you have any query or if you want us to make a video on your desirable topic, please leave a comment.